Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your device and the app are ready. Update Google Photos and set a secure screen lock so the locked folder can use it. Once done, open Google Photos, tap Library, then Utilities. Scroll to Locked Folder and tap Setup. You'll be prompted to confirm your device lock method. Follow those system prompts. This step registers the locked folder to your device security, so files moved there stay protected and separate from your main photo library. Now you'll actually put items into the locked folder. Select one or more photos or videos by long pressing, then choose the More menu and pick Move to Locked Folder. You may need to confirm with your PIN or fingerprint. That's intentional. Make sure you understand that files in locked folder are stored only on the device and do not upload to Google Photos Backup. If you want items backed up, copy them to the main library before moving. Repeat for any albums or new captures you want secured. Finish by verifying access. Open Library, tap Locked Folder, and unlock with your device credential to see the contents. To restore an item, select it and choose Move out of Locked Folder so it resumes normal backup and visibility. If you can't find Locked Folder or it's grayed out, check for app updates and confirm your device supports the feature. Older Android versions and some regions may not include it. If problems persist, restart the phone and try again, or reinstall Google Photos as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.